to welcome back. So today we are going to test this minute or key. This one is the no touch tool. It could go onto your keychain and you could open door or press the elevator buttons. So this is made of solid brass. So and you could also open the handle, the door handle, if you're in a public place or building, or public hotel elevator. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if this thing really works or not. Let's go ahead and take it out. Pretty thin and lightweight. So you could hold it like this, push the buttons, or use this hook to pull the door, or turn it to, if you have a different kind of door handle. So imagine if you go to a hotel, you got this kind of button, you can push the button and stuff like that. But how you gonna open the door? That's kind of messed up. You have if you check in like a hotel, so if you have this kind of knob, you could go like this and then pull out open or push in, okay? But just you cannot twist it. You have a deadbolt lock, you cannot really turn it, so let's go and check out the keypads. So with the keypad, you could push it. Push the switches and stuff like that. So anyway, if you have the door with the bar or lever, you can just push down and then I use a hook to open it up, okay? Push down and then pull. If you have this side or this side, should be on this side. Pull it down and then pull it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.